All right, YouTubers, it's cooking time. I'm gonna try to make this quick. I got the induction cooktop out. Better open this up. I put this thing up to protect from any splatter. I'm gonna turn this on. And turn it on low. Start off with some olive oil. Again, you keep it in a bag. Hope nothing falls out. There we go. I think you're still in there. There's a cutting board. Squeeze that in there. Not a lot of space in a small Class B. It's even tougher when you're trying to film it. So first thing we got is some butterfly pork chops. I'll cook them one at a time. Might just be one for this meal. Famous Dave's rib rub. See? Famous Dave's rib rub. I am not going fancy at all. Alright, and I'll show you something cool. Should have it here. Because I like all the thrift store stuff. These are tongs, they're wooden. Kind of cool, and it won't scratch my Copper Chef pan. So that's cool. So I already cleaned it, but while that's cooking, I'm going to cut down an orange pepper. This is also that new thrift store knife. I sharpened it up too. It's very nice. I'm very happy with it so far. Alright, so cut these down. Oh, I really like this knife. What I don't use on this, I can save. Whatever seeds I missed, it'll be okay. Right. Turn it up a little bit. Alright, next we got an onion. Let's see if we're in there. Hope that didn't mess up too much. That's my way of doing onions. Alright. That's like a proper way to do an onion. Now we'll do an improper way to do onions. Okay. I don't have as many veggies as I would like, but it's what we got. My philosophy is always cook what you got, so we turn this up to medium. Keep it flipping. And yeah. I always try to keep a secret while I'm doing the cooking, even though I know I name stuff. But we're gonna make some small pork tacos with just what you see here, and then I'm gonna kick it up with some of this Roja sauce, which, if you can tell, the only seasonings in this is Famous Dave's rib rub and this Roja sauce. And there's one thing that normally I use that's missing. No sriracha in this one. But don't worry, there'll be sriracha. We're getting there. All right, I threw on another light that might help. But I do like the new feature of GoPro start and stop recording stuff. Ooh, nothing happened there. I said all those words together. Must have confused it. All right, we're gonna do something a little weird here. We can do some prepping. All right. Move stuff around. Take this off. Put this in. All right. GoPro, stop recording. All right, so what we did there is I got the veggies in there, and I'm gonna cut this down and let it finish cooking with the veggies. So I'm gonna have to be quick. Ugh, making a mess. So I want the pork small. Try to do this without going crazy. All right. Turn it up a little bit. And we'll cut the rest of this. I think this thrift store knife was like 69 cents. And I gotta tell you, I'm really happy with it. Great feel to it, nice weight. Keep mixing this up. Find part of an onion that you don't want in there, you take it out. That's what I'm talking about. And you let it cook. You let it smell good. And you throw a little bit more Famous Dave's seasoning all over everything. And you stir it in. You go, damn, that smells good. Cook what you got. It'll turn out all right. It smells good. Now I'm going to put a little bit of that Roja sauce in there. There we go. That's nice. It's not hot. It's smoky. Nice. Cook it up a little bit more, turn it up, and keep stirring it. Keep moving it. Some people hate cooking in their RV. When it's winter, you kind of gotta cook in your RV. Unless you're just throwing something on a grill. But I don't mind it. If I ever do have to sell this RV, it might smell like food. Well, food's a good smell. That's just me though. Alright, I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing, and I'm going to say, GoPro, stop recording. Next we got some small flour tortillas. I'll throw it on there for a second. I'm going to go ahead and unplug this. I just throw it on there to get some of the steam and the heat. Soften it up even more, because it's already a nice soft tortilla. Oh, that's nice. Alright then. Nothing fancy, like I told you. We're just gonna load this up. A little bit of everything. Got some Colby Jack I'm gonna put on there. All right, moving stuff around. Got the cheese on there. Roja sauce. Quick and easy. Soft taco, that's what I'm talking about. Better take a picture for you. Here's your flyover. Looks pretty good. Roja sauce. All right, now let's taste it. Get in there and eat it. That works. I am a happy eater now. Things do not have to be complicated, especially when you're hungry. So there you go. There's a quick, easy cooking. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great and wonderful day.